Hey, what's up, TikTok? So I'm recording and I got a package and I'll show y'all from Bumble and Berry. I don't like coffee, but they have scents of coffee. I guess some people like coffee. I never really liked coffee. I'll show y'all what I got. Is a candle making kit. So I'm going to be learning how to make candles as well. Wow, they package it really nicely. I do have a book. I bought one book about candle making. It's just hard to find information about making candles. So it's in here. Wow. A couple empty cans to try some. See? Some scents, some oils, I guess. Oh, not that much. I guess it's very simple. Some wax. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Hey, what's up, y'all? So this is my kit that I bought from Amazon like maybe a month ago. A candle making kit, and I was just intimidated of how to use it, and I tried Bumble and Berry soap making, which was really easy with the videos and the descriptions explaining what to do. So I didn't want to try this kit yet until I after I had a good experience with Bumble and Berry. I felt Bumble and Berry gave me more confidence to do the soap. So this is another wax candle kit that I have from Amazon that I chose. So once I do the Bumble Berry kit first, then I'm going to try the one from Amazon and see how that works. I just wonder where is the description. I think it did came with one. I don't know where it is now. So I probably will figure it out, once I figure out. Hey, look, it has candle science on this from Amazon. Wow. All right, see y'all later. Bye.